So, do you want to go on a date sometime?
Sure, I'd love to.
Guess what? I'm trying out for the Foursquare Leagues on Sunday.
Great! Foursquare is awesome. If you work really hard, you can get a college scholarship.
Sunday, you committed to fine arts puppet practice.
Oh, come on. How hard is it to do puppets? Just stick your hand in it and move.